we're back at Idlewild and SoakZone. This time, we're going to SoakZone. We're giving you a full tour and making more memories. And we're taking you along with us. Let's go.
And on our left, we had the lazy river. And then on the right, we just have the boathouse. They used to store paddle boats back in the day. Used to be able to paddle boat on there. And we got some slides in the background there and a dumping bucket. And we got changing rooms, and then we got the gift shop. We're gonna walk into the gift shop and see what kind of new merchandise they have over here in the water park. There we go. Got some towels too. If you forgot your towels, they got you covered. They got bathing suits also, sunglasses. They have these awesome bags up here. Drawstring bags. Might get Weeze one of them. She can hold her stuff. I like them ones. Yeah, they got you covered when it comes to sunscreen and everything. If you forgot anything, if you're out from out of town, they got you covered. I mean, they've got you really covered. In case you get cold, they got your hoodies. They got all your beach gear over here with sandals, necklaces and stuff. And then they have squishies, and then they have a dumpling over there. Look at that. Just remodeled this gift shop, and it looks phenomenal. Last year, if you remember, yeah, it was beautiful. So I'm gonna go get changed, and me and Weeze are gonna head on over and get wet. It's really warm today. Let's go. Ready to go swimming? Yeah, let's go. The tower in Little Scorch is still there. I got this confused with this guy. I thought that was the tower. That's amazing. Yeah, it's pretty. It's not a big water park, but you know, it's doable, you know? And then there's Little Scorch. That's Little Scorch. That's pretty awesome little area for the toddlers and stuff. All right, let's go check out the rest of the place. There's the wave pool. Wallabunga. Let's go get a closer look at it. And here's the new bridge. so many slides on this structure. It's pretty nice. The back side of it. You can also enter. That's the kind of structure they need for sandcastle. Did you have fun? Yeah? Yeah? Oh yeah? I like this whole entrance thing. This is nice. I can't wait till they get it completed. Then they can see what it looks like. It's gonna be pretty nice. That's pretty awesome, man. It actually beats going clear over there to actually get any kind of beverage and stuff. Because there was only one eatery here, and now they're adding another one closer to the other side of the water park. That's a phenomenal idea. Good job, Herschel. Good job. So this is their eatery here. They have grilled chicken sandwiches and fries, hamburger, fries, cheeseburgers, hot dogs, fried mozzarella sticks, and tater cakes. There's the menu for that. They have a fast food station over there. They also got changing rooms to galore. They have ones in here. They have the family ones. They get really hot though, so I prefer the ones inside here. You can also rent your canopies here. They also have more restrooms on this side. They have lockers also you can actually rent too. Let's go see how much they are. Well, the screening's very hard to see, so I'm gonna standard size for one bag is $12, large bag is $15, and jumbo is $20. So there's 3 different sizes of lockers here in the water park that you can choose from. Let's go check out the slides. This is 2 of the slides over here that you have to choose from. They used to have body slides in the middle there, but that's been long gone for a while. They have more canopies over here too. They have canopies all through the park. So there's whatever your kid's favorite spot is, they have a canopy for it if you decide to have some shade and stuff. Also, we have the floataway bay. It's Idlewild and Soakzone's lazy river. But they also have, if you didn't get enough buckets over there, they have their own bucket over here. Check it out. It's good timing. And I like how they put seating around this whole area. Hydro racers and pipeline plunge is our favorite also. They're short slides, but they're pretty amazing. Alright, here is our lazy river. Floataway bay. Theming is pretty basic. But it's pretty decent size, for what they had to work with room wise. It's pretty nice. It's not bad at all. They have canopies over here also. And this is the other side of the lazy river over here, Floataway Bay. Like I said, it's a pretty decent size, lazy river though, When you do come to the park, this SoakZone's hours open 11:30 a.m. and closes at 6, so it's pretty normal for our water park hours though. Wow, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. We had a phenomenal time here at SoakZone, here at Idlewild. It's a little water park, not much to do, but it's fun. Especially when it's a hot day like today. It was phenomenal. Glad you guys joined me and Matt on this adventure. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, notification bell so you don't miss any more. Until next time, have a beautiful day.